Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Alright everyone, you don't know who this already. This is the Skilla. You see me? So me the life you know what really and truly are going in Trinidad, Port of Spain right now. You see me? I'm the life you know how them can make this squash and stop. You see me? Because them say that the police arrest some man from out of a gang that is called the Rasta City Gang, and because the Rasta City Gang members, them like about 20 of them get arrested, the Muslim City Gang start moving and hurt people. You see me? I say, so the police them say them that they will protect the people them, and then at the same time now the same people them turn around and stand off with the police them and all these things. So me not understand what really and truly are going on. You see me? But anyways, me I gonna bring a video to you right now from Nelson Street, Port of Spain, Trinidad, where it a show how it is on the ground down there right now. You see me? I say I know the people them have to run up along afraid in their life. You see me? But before I show you this video, I want to make you know so viewer discretion is advised. You see me? And as always, if you like how I bring the thing to you, just let me know in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
You go ahead now, you afraid that you go ahead, you go your way.
But I haven't seen children, it's how people like to pay. They shoot me, they really have to pay me. Because money, they deal with them. They may say,
they're not shooting down.
They shoot
them. And this side was no present button on that side. So they shoot them, clear it out.
but it's a children over
on the
there.
ground, boy, what is?
Yes, for them to move. Because they're now throwing boxes over there. So they're telling them to move.
Well, alright, so we getting all of that. We getting all that.
But he's busting.
Yeah, we get all of that, we get all of that, all of that.